What's up, guys? It's Silent, and I'm here in the Bronx with another video, a walking tour. And right now we are in the Spuyten Duyvil area of the Bronx, which is in Riverdale and the estate area. You know, a lot of people don't think this is part of the Bronx, but they are. They too have a 104 zip code. Look at these huge houses. They look like mansions. It's insane. And the Spuyten Duyvil neighborhood is bounded on the north by Riverdale, on the east by Kingsbridge, and on the south by the Harlem River, and on the west by the Hudson River. And the area was named after Spuyten Duyvil Creek. And Spuyten Duyvil may be literally translated as spouting devil, which is, I know, kind of eerie. Let's watch where we're going, because there's not really no sidewalks here. And the reason why it's called Spouting Devil, well, translated to Spouting Devil, is a reference to the strong and wild tidal currents found at the location that we're actually at right now. So I'm just doing a little quick tour of some of these houses as we walk, because what I really want to show you is one of the most unusual and unique residences here in the Bronx, and we're gonna be blown away. Let's cross over here. A lot of greenery, and it kind of feels like you're in a whole new world, to be quite honest. Nice and relaxing. And this is Palisade Avenue. Look at these. Wow. Every time I see green open space like this, I feel like the Twilight movies, when Edward and the Cullens. Oh yeah, let me show you. I'm sorry, guys, I get carried away. But I gotta show you the houses as we're walking. So if anybody tells you there aren't nice areas in the Bronx, they lying, because you can see it here firsthand. And as you can see, the Hudson River, which hopefully I can get some drone shots so you guys could get a way better look. Got some nice apartment buildings. So as you can see, Spuyten Some nice flowers. And here we are. One of the most unique, if the most unique, residences in all of the Bronx. Possibly New York City, if you ask me. Villa Charlotte Bronte. Look at this. I don't know if you're getting justice from the video, but it is a sight to behold. It's basically like a countryside villa in the middle of the Bronx. If you look at the details, it's incredible. And as I said, this is like having a countryside villa in the middle of the Bronx. I mean, look at the textures. Look at the bricks. Look at the way the trees and the leaves and everything are forming, the staircases. I mean, it looks straight out of the 1920s. It's incredible.